The maintenance required light in your Toyota Avalon is a simple mileage-based reminder system. This light appears on your dashboard to prompt routine maintenance like oil changes. The light follows a predictable pattern. It begins flashing at 4,500 miles to give you advance warning, then stays on solid at 5,000 miles after your last reset. It's important to understand that the maintenance required light is not a warning light. Unlike a check engine light that indicates an actual problem, this light is simply a scheduled reminder based on mileage. Modern Toyota Avalon models from 2019 to 2024 feature advanced multi-information displays that provide much more detailed maintenance information than older systems. These integrate with Toyota's safety systems and can even send notifications to your smartphone. Here's a crucial point. While the maintenance light activates every 5,000 miles, newer Toyota Avalon models using synthetic oil can actually go 10,000 miles between oil changes. Always follow your owner's manual recommendations rather than just the light timing. Understanding your maintenance required light helps you maintain your Toyota Avalon properly while avoiding unnecessary service visits. Remember, it's a helpful reminder, not an emergency warning. The reset procedure varies depending on your Avalon's model year. We'll cover 3 different methods to ensure you can reset your maintenance light regardless of which generation you own. First, identify your model year. The reset method depends on whether you have a 2019 to 2024 model with the modern touchscreen system or a 2013 to 2018 model with traditional controls. For 2019 to 2024 models, the easiest method uses the touchscreen. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, then Maintenance, and finally Oil Change. Select Reset and confirm your choice. Alternatively, for newer models, you can use the steering wheel controls. Hold the trip meter button while turning the ignition to the on position. Use the display controls to navigate to the maintenance reset option. For 2013 to 2018 models, use the traditional button method. Turn ignition to on with engine off, set odometer to trip A, turn ignition off, then hold the trip meter reset button while turning ignition back to on. Continue holding for 10 to 15 seconds until the light turns off. If you're having trouble with any of these methods, or if the light doesn't reset properly, it's best to visit a Toyota service center. They can reset the light and ensure your maintenance schedule is properly synchronized.